Good morning. The weather, again, I can't. We had so much fun on the Golden Circle the other day that we're like, let's just go somewhere else. So we are headed to the South Coast today. Super excited because the last weekend before we head back to work, some of the restrictions are lifting next week. So that means we'll be doing some normal things again, and we just have to take advantage of this time. So we're going. This time we're headed to the South Coast all the way to Jökulsárlón. I can't wait. Let's do it.
Without stopping at the waterfalls, the black sand beach, because I was thinking we've been sitting in our house for 5-6 weeks. Where's the one place that I want to go right now? And it's the Glacier Lagoon. So that's where we're going! Another thing that I'm sure I'll never see again in my life, and that is we're the only one at the Glacier Lagoon. Glacier Lagoon. The only car. There's no one else here. I don't know if I should be happy or sad about that, because it just feels really weird to be the only one here witnessing all of this. The Diamond Beach, and it's a sad day because sometimes you just don't get those ice chunks, and some people really want to see that. So we're here at the end of April right now. There's no sign. Even on the other shore, there's tiny ice chunks. Nothing worth writing home about. And this is crazy because sometimes the Glacier Lagoon is fantastic and it's blowing up and it's the best thing, and sometimes the Glacier Lagoon is more like frozen over and the icebergs aren't as big. I mean, you really have to time it right with your visit. Honestly, if this is one of like the main attractions that you're looking forward to seeing, you might want to consider planning it around that. Just for reference, I know for a fact, I mean, I've been here several times, but not in every month. I know I've been here in August, September, and October, and all of those times, I would say decent on both sides, but more impressive on the lagoon. And then I've been here like in March, April, which the lagoon looks a lot better, and then the beach is nothing, basically. So there's your pro tip for the day. Down the lagoon. Look at it down here. Just perfect weather. Not windy at all. On the verge of being warm. Quiet, peaceful. Seals though, for real. They're just swimming up so close to him and showing off. I think they're friends. My husband has made friends with a colony of seals. be here right now. So peaceful. And not to be weird, but the Glacier Lagoon is one of those places that makes me so happy. Like, you bring me here and I'm good. Like, I could be here. I've already been here for over 2 hours and I'm good here. I'm coming back tomorrow morning too because I love it that much. It makes me so happy. I mean, how can you not look? Doing a little Instagram live. You guys are awesome for just hanging out here. Day 2, exploring around the Glacier Lagoon. We had some delicious food this morning, so we are ready for a little hiking adventure. Here's all the cars at Fjallsárlón. I'm starting to get used to this actually, but just to report to you, it's always really windy here, so I'm preparing for wind once we walk up over this hill and get to the lagoon. Let's go check her out. At Fjallsárlón, which is the smaller glacier lagoon right next to Jökulsárlón. You can see there's tons and tons of ice here. Gotten a little overcast, but what can you say? Good weather so far.